Hi guys, so I was just halfway through cleaning the Velcro off my boots, and then I thought, oh actually it's quite a little cool trick I use to clean my Velcro that I thought you might want to have a look at. Might be useful for you in the future. Right, so what I do is I use one of these, you got like a sellotape dispenser, you get these little metal things with the spikes on. They're absolutely brilliant for cleaning Velcro. I hope you can see what I'm doing. But see how disgusting that is. It's like covered in hay and bedding. So just literally comb down it with the little pointy bits on the sellotape dispenser. I don't know, sorry, I'm trying to do it as quick as I can. I should have done this like Blue Peter, here's one I done earlier bit thing, shouldn't I? If you just work your way down it, just be careful though because they are sharp and I've stabbed myself in the hand a couple of times. And just watch any stitching, do you know if you're near any stitching, because you don't want it to unpick your stitching on your boots or whatever. I've obviously left these way too long, so they're just disgusting, aren't they? But yeah, if you just go down it all like that, it kind of just fits nicely in between the, it's like the rough side of your Velcro, do you know, well, where all the stuff sticks. And ta-da! It's not as good as new, but it's so much better, look at that. So yeah, just a little trick for you. This is what they look like before I've cleaned them. Lovely! And then I'll give you a little after shot. Like I say, it's just on the rough part of your Velcro, and you'll see that these little teeth just fit in the gaps nicely and just drag out all the dirt. It's actually quite a satisfying job. And after, so you can spend a bit more time on them and get them a bit cleaner, but I can't be bothered. But it's just like the cheapest little device ever for this job. I mean, you can probably get like proper stuff to do, clean out Velcro, I don't know, but most people have got one of these in their house, so I just love it. That's all done and I'm literally covered in all the stuff that was in my Velcro, so time to get changed. So that was my little handy tip for the day. I hope you found it useful. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon.